Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the margin on your document to be precisely 1 inch. So apparently 1 inch is the standard margin for a lot of documents, and if you want to make sure that your document is standardized, then you have to apply that margin setting. So here's how you can change the margin to be precisely 1 inch. So click on the layout menu right here, and then navigate margins, and then click custom margins. In my computer, I'm using centimeter, and that's why I have to enter the number to be 2.54. That is exactly 1 inch. If you are using inches in the measurement of your computer or your Microsoft Word, then you could just enter number 1, and you can apply that to every side of the document. I'm going to just copy and paste. Right. Now the document has 1 inch margin. Click OK to continue. Right. So as you can see here, there is a little bit of a problem, because now since the margin is actually narrowing, it means that the content is now struggling to keep everything in place, and that's why it creates another page. So in my case, or sometimes you might want to modify your document to make sure that everything is contained inside of 1 inch. And that's also a reminder that you probably want to back up your document first before applying this setting, because you don't want to accidentally mess everything up on your document. So yeah, that's basically how you can apply a 1 inch margin in your document. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.